YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Big Ant back at you with another video. Another successful week on trade blocks. So I'm definitely gonna get to some unboxings here and show you guys what we got. Again, you know, for those of you who didn't see the first video, I'm documenting my building process. I'm in a building mode. I previously had a store in West Virginia. Life happened, had to close it down. I'm now right outside of Orlando, Florida, and looking to open up a store in the Orlando, Florida area. Right now, I'm focusing on building up my shoe inventory and developing my merch. I'm definitely going to take an interesting, different angle with the merch. So I want to document how I'm developing that, how I'm developing my inventory so you guys can see it from the ground up. My goal, you know, is a year, 2 years from now to be able to look at some of these videos and be like, wow, you know, I really came a long way. I've done it once, so I know that I can do it again. But I want to share this journey with you guys, so I appreciate you for tapping in with your boy. Remember, like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so you can get notifications on the videos that I drop each week. Each week, I'm gonna do a video on current pickups and show you guys what I got. Again, I've been a monster on Trade Block and I appreciate their platform. It's really helped me build my inventory. Just share some goals with you guys. Right now, my goal is to get to 300 pairs in inventory to open up the store. I think that's gonna be enough, you know, for me to have a diverse selection of shoes to bring people from all over. I want to have everything. Everybody knows the dunks, the fours, the ones are really popular, really hitting right now. But there's a community that loves mids and low ones. There's a community that still loves Yeezys. There's a community that loves the older silhouettes of Jordans from the 12s and 13s and 11s and 8s and so forth. So I want to bring all of that together. I want to have a well-rounded selection. So I want to share this process of how I'm building this inventory up with you guys and just, you know, take you along my journey. I'm really excited for the merch that I'm developing right now. I'm taking a little bit of a different angle with merch, which you guys will see later. I can't divulge that now because I'm still developing it, but I'm excited for that, man. I'm excited for the way things are changing rapidly in the sneaker community. Last time I had a store, you know, Jordan 12s was hitting, Jordan 11s was hitting. Now is the SB Dunks have made a comeback, and I'm so excited for that. I was a dunk head as a young man. I'm not gonna share my age with y'all, but I actually used to wear dunks when they were considered basketball shoes, even before the SB era. That's how old I am. So I'm excited, man, to have dunks back and receiving attention. Just some of the dopest shoes, dopest colorways and materials that Nike's ever put on a shoe. So I'm excited for that, but I'm also excited, man, to connect with folks who still love the old school silhouettes and would rather have a pair of 8s instead of a pair of dunks, or even the folks that are in the 23s and stuff like that, you know, mids. And I'm just excited, man, to dive into it and really bring it together. So please follow me on my journey, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment. I respond to all comments that you guys leave. Hit that notification bell so that you can get updates when I'm dropping new videos. I will be dropping consistent videos with new pickups each week. We got to get to these pickups now because I know that's what everybody loves to see. I want to share an interesting little story with you though. Y'all know I'm on Trade Block every week. I love Trade Block. I'm on Trade Block every day, knocking out trades and working with people. I've met so many cool, different people in the sneaker community. It's one of the best things I think that could have ever happened to the sneaker community is Trade Block and allowing folks to safely trade with other folks in the sneaker community without having to worry about getting burnt with fakes and folks that don't stick to their word. But this week something interesting happened, man. I'm not a name dropper, anything like that, but something interesting happened this week. I did a trade with Unbreakable Kicks, man, and I thought that was dope. I've been watching Unbreakable Kicks on YouTube. Y'all know he's a YouTube sneaker influencer. I've been watching his videos for years, man. I enjoy watching his pickups. I enjoy watching the crazy stuff that he gets every week in the way of PEs. His PE collection is just off the hinges. So to be able to link up with that dude and do a trade over trade block, I thought was pretty dope. Dude blessed me with something, and I'll show you when I get to the boxes. But we did a really good trade, and I hope me and him do some more business. But shout out to Unbreakable Kicks for the trade. You know, I appreciate that. Customer appreciation, my boy Sean W. For checking in with us, man, and sending us some fair trades. I love that dude, man. He's one of the first folks to rock with us when we first started trading. So, you know, I appreciate you guys, man, the folks that are helping support me as I build this. It will only get bigger. I am not going to stop until this is a success. And once it's a success, I'm going to keep going. So what you've all been waiting for, man, let's get into some kicks. So yes, as y'all can see, another haul from Trade Block, and I'm not lying, y'all. Y'all can check in with the folks at Trade Block. This is a haul for the week. Definitely excited, man. Y'all can see I had a little bit of success here in the stacking of these boxes. I love nothing more than picking up these boxes every week. So let's tap in. I'm solo dolo, so I'm gonna let this camera down and pop open some boxes and show y'all what I got. Peace. Boom, and like that, we are back. Y'all can see we had a little bit of a successful week, man, in trading. A lot of diversity here, man. Let's hop right into it. So we got the UNLV Dunk Low. Real hot right now. Picking up momentum. Of course, a couple pair of biohacks. Again, I love this shoe. It's sitting a little dormant right now, but I really think for the fall and winter, this shoe is gonna pick up some momentum. So we're investing in those. Got another one neutral low. Quality on these is dope, man. They are actually a lot doper in hand than I thought they would be. Got us a little bit of a hype shoe in the off-white Sail 5, size 13 Bigfoot. And here's our haul from Unbreakable Kicks, man. He blessed us with some Oreos, man. Not all of these came from him. I think 3 pair came from him. We got a couple more pair from somebody else, but definitely these are hot right now, so we're picking up and getting our hands on as many as we can. Shout out to Unbreakable Kicks on that. Real cool. And then we got blessed. We got a little steal on eBay for a panda low. Black white dunk low. I don't know why they don't officially call this a panda low, because I feel that's what it is. But tell me what you think, y'all. This will all be out on the website, rock1stock1.com. That's ROC1STOCK1.com. Tap in with us, shop with us. Remember, if you don't have money to buy, we accept trades. We can do trades through Trade Block. You can ship to us directly. We'll deal with anybody. So we deal with all sizes, all silhouettes. So let us know what you got, man. Tap in with your boy. Peace.